Coloring coloriendo.
Hey there, little artists. Can you guess what magical character we're going to color today? Here's a hint. She lives in a grand, shimmering castle, sometimes wears a crown that sparkles like the stars, and might have a gown that twirls and swirls like the clouds in the sky. She might ride in a royal carriage, have a talking animal friend, or dance all night at a ball. And sometimes, she even goes on daring adventures to save the day. That's right. We're coloring a princess today. Just look at her. So elegant and ready for a splash of color. Her gown is wide and flowing, perfect for twirls. Her crown is glimmering, just waiting for your creative touch. And her hair is ready for whatever beautiful colors you can imagine. You could make her dress a lovely pink like cotton candy, a sparkling blue like the ocean waves, or even rainbow-colored for a magical, one-of-a-kind look. The best part is, you get to decide. There are no wrong colors when it comes to your imagination. Did you know that princesses aren't just from fairy tales? In real life, princesses have been explorers, leaders, artists, and even scientists. Long ago, some princesses wore beautiful silks and jewels, while others wore armor and led armies into battle. And in many fairy tales, princesses are the heroes who solve problems, outsmart villains, and help others. So your princess can be anything you want, kind and gentle, brave and bold, or both. Maybe your princess rules over a kingdom in the clouds, with fluffy castles made of cotton candy. Or maybe she's the princess of the forest, wearing a gown made of flower petals and a crown of shimmering leaves. She could even be a space princess, flying between planets with a gown made of glittering stardust. You can decide every detail. Her story is in your hands. If you like the video and want to see more videos, share, subscribe, and tell your friends so they can join in the fun too. Bermuda Pink. Now, let's think about her crown. It can sparkle with any gems you want. Emeralds that glow green like spring leaves, rubies as red as apples, sapphires as blue as the sky, or even magical gemstones you invent yourself. And her shoes? Maybe they're glass slippers like Cinderella's, or golden sandals, or even cozy fluffy boots if she lives in a snowy kingdom.
Light blue.
Every choice you make adds to her
Yellow.
personality and her story. Here's a fun fact. Some of the most famous princesses in history were chosen not just for beauty, but for their kindness, wisdom, and bravery. In ancient stories, princesses were often peacemakers who brought harmony to their kingdoms. And in legends from different cultures, princesses
Light pink.
sometimes had magical powers, like speaking with animals or controlling the weather. Think about your princess's magical friends. Does she have a pet unicorn with a shimmering mane? A tiny dragon who curls up on her shoulder? Or maybe a whole team of woodland animals that help her with royal duties? You could even color them in fun, unexpected ways. A blue squirrel, a pink owl, or a golden fox. The wilder your imagination, the more magical your princess's world becomes.
Purple.
As you add more color, imagine the story unfolding. Maybe she's getting ready for a big royal celebration. Or maybe she's about to go on a grand adventure through enchanted forests and sparkling rivers. Is there a villain she has to outwit? A mystery to solve? Or maybe she's just having the best day ever, dancing under the stars in her magical gown. And remember, your princess doesn't have to look like anyone else's. That's the magic of art. Every line you color, every shade you choose, makes her unique. When you're done, your princess will be ready to step right out of your page, and into her own fairy tale. Thanks to your imagination. So keep coloring, keep dreaming, and most of all, have fun. Because in your coloring world, you are the true royal artist.
Coloring coloriendo.